Welcome viewers and subscribers. Welcome back guys to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? Alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always guys, I hope you not feel no pain, but if you don't feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor. Go to the doctor. Call the doctor, make the doctor come at your home if you have the money to pay. If you don't, please ask somebody to bring you to the doctor. And remember, guys, wellness check. Please do some wellness check because wellness check is very good to check on your friends, your family, and also your enemy. Yeah, man, make them know say them are your enemy, but you still want to know say them all right. Anywhere, because you know what happened. Why if you do that? Mental health crisis is not a joke. It's not playing with nobody, and it's on the rise. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, it's your birthday. Go shorty. It's your birthday, and we know if I your birthday today, I want to tell you happy birthday coming from me, myself, and I, Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. Happy birthday to each and every one of you out there who is loving and living their Capricorn life. Yeah, man. So, guys, again, happy birthday to each and every one of them. One of you, one of him, one of she. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year upon them. Go, shorty. It's your birthday, and we know it's your birthday. Have a wonderful day on your birthday, on your earth strong. My viewers and subscribers, what is this? For about 8 to 9 months, these people been sitting down on Alicia Kim name, then turn it on Narry. Yes, then turn it on Narry. All because of bitter baby mamas. Bitter baby mother. Now, my viewers and subscribers, before I get into that part of this video, because you will not believe what I found, what I come up with. You won't believe what I'm going to show you. What I'm going to show you, I need you all to look, listen, and tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right, because you know I am only the worker for this channel. You guys own this channel. I am the worker. So I will go out and find the information and bring the information back to you. But guys, before I get into that nitty gritty part of this video, I want to talk to Ram, the truck boy, the truck man, the truck boy, the head man drunker. Yes, the one where I drive around with the whole heap of drunker them. Yes. Ram, the trucker, broke back. Yeah, me want to stop calling Ram, you know, because that name, me no like that name. Me no like how that name the sound. Me no like how that name the sound. Truck boy, broke back. Me see you come out and show some videos and picture. Yeah, a picture. Yeah. Of your wife. And me never tell you, me never say nothing bad about your wife. I come out and I ask you, who is that lady? That remember that lady was born, you know, 1970. What? 70, 72, yeah. So right now she's 53 years old. Yeah, she running a business, and remember, say she have you as an employee for the business. Yeah, all right. But when you a show and a play King Kong song and a show all kind of song and a play all kind of things and I show this lady. Now, to this lady, if this lady I watch my video, listen, lady, I have nothing against you. I'm just showing some pointers So your name end up, you go end up be a part of the pointer. Your husband is the one who flinging you in the mix because nobody asks him to show you your picture. Okay? But, Rumram, why didn't you tell everybody how many times your wife married? How many times have your wife married? How many? You are not the first husband. Uh-huh. You are not the first husband. So I don't know why you're operating like how you're operating. You are not the first husband. And if I can be very clear, the same situation that Alicia Kim find herself in with Maki, who used to have several wives, is the same situation you find yourself in. Remember, your wife was a married woman in New York, and that's why her name was, but I not gonna say yet. I'm not going to say yet. Remember, your wife have a lot of names, a lot of different names. Her first name, yeah, first name, then the other name, then your name. So that means she born with one name, yeah. Then she married of that name, then she married to you. No problem. So what I'm saying to you is you don't have to come out here and do what you're doing, showing off your wife and people saying how she pretty and she gorgeous and all kind of things. You want me to go more? You want me to go no, more? Okay, let me go a little bit further. Your wife, viewers and subscribers, I go leave it right there. I go leave it right there. It's not about your wife. It's about you. It's about you. The same thing, the same exact thing that Maki was doing to Alicia Kim is the same thing your wife do to you. Same thing. The only difference is she's the one with the business, with the little, with the money. I don't know how much money she have. I don't know if she have none, or I don't know if she have a million. And I don't want to know that. I'm just trying to make it. The same thing that you are beat Alicia Kim about is the same life you've been living. The same life you've been living. But Alicia Kim come out of it strong. You can't come out of yours because you're weak. Yeah, you're weak. You're afraid to start over. You're afraid to start over, so you cannot come out of yours. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, make we get them to the nitty gritty of the meat of the matter. Guys, have you ever sit down and ask yourself why and where these people come up with Narry name? How these people come up with Narry name? These people come up with Narry name because of Narry bitter baby mother. Bitter baby mother. When I finish with this video, I'm going to show you a lot of things that you all need to look into. Now, my viewers and subscribers, Narry was a friend of Alicia Kim. Narry and Alicia Kim used to be in relationship, allegedly, way back when in the school days. And that's how Alicia Kim become known to Sheena. Sheena never like Alicia Kim. Never like Alicia Kim. Because Alicia Kim always is a young lady where always a try to move up, a try to step up, motivate herself. She never like Alicia Kim. Because Narry and Alicia Kim, they was kicking it a little bit. However, when all this started and Alicia Kim and move around and all those kind of things, Alicia Kim now living in America with Maki. Guys, how Narry name reach into this, only God can tell. But we all know where it was coming from. The ex-bitter baby mother. Now, guys, I want to say this to each and every one of you. Are you listening me clearly? Clearly and very good. You have your coffee. You have your popcorn. You have something to drink. If you don't have nothing to drink, go and get something to drink. And by the way, if you reach this far in the video, have you watched the video? Like the video? Share the video yet? If you not do it now. And guys, remember, I have an affiliate link down below, yeah? Click on it. And if you feel like you want to help the channel, you can purchase anything that you see on the affiliate link and you will help the channel. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It's another way of making money off the channel. Because you don't know it's a business. So, guys, have you ever heard Alicia Kim said anything towards who her baby father really is? Have she ever said any hint? Have she ever give you any reason of a doubt to say who is her baby father? Let me say something to all you. Alicia Kim show a picture of her baby father, and she show a picture of the statue of the individual. However, as soon as she showed the hand and the statue of the individual, all hell break loose. Everybody know the hand. Yeah, everybody know the hand. Which mean the baby mother know the hand. So the baby mother now start to move up and down, all kind of say, yes, yes, a him, a him. But have anybody ever sit down and ask themselves who or if Narry is the baby father? Looking over yonder, see if I can see nobody over there. I want to see room out there. Want to see Rumi Isha out there. Want to see this graceful Jackie out there. Me look over that side. I want to see the dirty one where say my best father. Want to see him? Want to see the one who claims say she have it all put together. The one named Keish. We're jealous of Alicia Kim for her lifestyle. Want to see that one? And want to see that little liar one there? The one who will tell lies just to make a buck. Vibes with Rosa. Want to see her? Want to see? If you don't see them, tell them to me call them. Tell them to come here. Me no want them at the front of my line though. I want them to stay on the back bench. Yes, round this so. Round at the back bench where the drunk them sit down. At this of them to stay. Stay on the back. Because no dead meat no upper front. Yes, sir. For them. But you no stay around there. Because this I won't want to hear and this I won't want to see. Now, my viewers and subscribers, me go to work. And me been at work for a while. Because me figure say something not right. But me no know is what. But me keep doing me work, doing me due diligence, me doing me checking, me doing me. But me still continuously believe say something not right. And me realize say Alicia Kim nah said nothing much more than she not putting her baby father out in the open. Now, my viewers and subscribers, guess what mash me? Guess what mash me? Yeah, let me look again. Let me look again if me say. Wanna see them cause me check on the back of the class and me not see them. Because me not walk go up no street, you know. Me not walk go up no lane, cause me not walk off of people. And me not walk and listen to nasty nigga. Hey, anywhere me go, then there's a follow. So me I stay right down here so and look up in the drunk lane see if they up there. Cause they not reach her yet. So me I look right now, me I look for Edman. Yeah, Edman Drunker. And me I look for the dirty father. Yeah, the little dirty mouth one. Cause I don't know how you're a good father, but you tell your daughter if you tell people. Dirty, indecent word. Mm. And me I look for the little liar one when name Rosa. Yeah, the little liar one. Cause she tell life anything, you know, $1. She tell life a buck. And then me I look for the unscrupulous one where I compare man with her husband like she want to mix up her husband with next man. Some enough of them are some freak and like quiet, you know. They want other man in them bedroom and all of them sitting. And then me I look for the little one where every time you see me have different complexion. Like say them a bleed out them kin. But don't make me say nothing. No, put me at workhouse. Anyway, my people, have any of you ever are really sit down and ask yourself the question, Alicia Kim not sure her baby father. She don't really talk about her baby father. She only say she not bringing any man on there. But guys, I have something that I want to show all of you. Guys, I have something that I want to show you all. And I want you all to look at what I'm showing you. And I'm not going to say I am 100% correct. But if I am not 100% correct, I am 95 or 7. Let's go to 75's correct. And guys, I believe I find the mystery. Yes, guys. Yes. I found some things. And what I find, I say, guys, I have been combing through videos. I've been reaching out to people. I've been asking questions. And I realized that this thing is very tight-lipped. But guys, this is where I want you all to really sit down and look and ask yourself how much people is in prison under false accusation. How much people lose their life under false accusation. Narry never trouble nobody. Only thing is, Narry was and is affiliated with Alicia Kim from school days. If you listen to Narry video that Narry say about Alicia Kim, he says, Narry said, all because Alicia Kim comes to his father funeral. Go back and listen to when Narry used that word. Narry says, all of this happened because she comes to the funeral. Now, when I sit down and I listen to Narry say that, because I haven't watched Narry video none at all until last night. I said I want to listen to what Narry have to say. So guys, when I was watching Narry video, I realized Narry doing some things with his hand. Guys, Narry go like this with his hand. Narry go like this with his hand. Narry go like this. He go like this. He do a lot of hand movements. So guys, I check and I look at something. And guys, when I check and I look really good, I noticed something. Then I went back. And when I went back and I look at Alicia Kim video, Christmas video, because in Christmas video, I noticed something. But there was no way for me to think about what I noticed. Guys, in the Christmas video of the chef that was cooking the food in Alicia Kim kitchen for Christmas, I take notice of everything. Guys, are you ready for this? Guys, I notice the chef hand really well. And I look at the guy hand and I realize his body, his voice, and his hand really well. While I was watching Narry's video, I realized something on Narry's video. When Narry go like this and put up his hand, and when Narry was moving his hand around. Guys, on the hand of the chef, the right hand of the chef, there is a cut. Like there's a cut where you get stitches on the right hand. Yeah? The right hand. There's another mark here on his hand. When you look on Narry's hand, right hand, it's not there. It's not on Narry's hand. Now let's move in to the most dangerous part of this whole thing. This hand of the chef here have a tattoo. Yeah? Here have a tattoo. And Narry, when Narry goes like this, there is no tattoo on Narry, either here or here. So guys, tell me something. Christmas, the tattoo was here on the baby father hand. But when Narry make his video and go like this, there was no sign of any tattoo on Narry's hand. So guys, you mean to tell me, say, all these months, weeks, and years, They've been lying on Narry. They have been telling lies on Narry. Now, guys, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Look in these pictures. Look at all these pictures. Look at all these pictures. In these pictures, I will show you the chef hand and I'll show you Narry hand. Look at all what I'm about to show you, because all of you who was beating Narry, you should all apologize to the guy. You should all apologize to him. And Narry, may I tell you the truth? You is a real friend. You is a real person. Because you could have come out long time and bash them, but no, you didn't do that. Alicia Kim, me rate you. Me rate you. Me respect you. Me rate you. Yeah, man, me rate you. So my thing is, all these people who been saying they see Narry, the next door neighbor who say them see Narry, who you really see? That's the question. Who did you see? Now let us watch. Now, guys, here is the pictures. I want you to take a really good look at these pictures and tell yourself or ask yourself, who is this? Yeah, look at them. So you see them pictures of the guy hand, and you see the pictures with the tattoo. But when you look on Narry's hand, there is no tattoo on Narry's hand. Narry's fingers are way taller than this guy's fingers. This guy's fingers have a little bit more flesh, a little bit more meat on his hand than Narry's. Narry's hand is a little bit more slimmer than this guy's hand. Also, guys, if you go back and look at the video that Alicia Kim put up, the Christmas video, you can see that the guy's shoulder, the back of him, is different from Narry's shoulder. Narry's shoulder is like a pointed, where his shoulder cuts, where his hand cut, it's pointed. If you look at the guy, is more round. So he is not, let me rephrase it again. He is not Narry, and Narry is not him. So, guys, what I would like to say is, for real, Narry is not Alicia Kim baby dad. Or should I say, alleged not Alicia Kim kid father. Guys, this is a mystery of how Narry get blamed and could have gone to prison if it was something to go to prison. There's a tattoo on the baby father hand. When Narry goes like that, there is no tattoo on Narry's hand. Let me say this. I don't know how skilled or smart they both would be to put a tattoo on the baby father hand and then take it off to say hiding something. The baby father wanted to show his face. However, they didn't want to show his face. Because guess why? And guess what? Look at it. When Alicia Kim was on the camera, if or maybe it's planned to show the baby thing on his face at that specific time. If it was planned, that's a good plan. But if it wasn't planned and it just happened like that, that simply means he was going to be shown. But one of the best things to do is not to show him, to keep them talking. Let's keep them talking. Whoa. Bark if you're barking. Brock talk if you're talking. All these days, weeks and months, broke back. Quiche, bleach out. Disgraceful Jackie. Licky Licky, Rosa. And Dirty Father been beating down Narry about being the father of Alicia Kim kid. And guys, I believe the mystery is solved. So I'm going to come back with another video. So guys, sit down and think and look into what I just showed to you. And let me know what you all really think about this. And let me also know what you think Narry should do now. That's they drag his name through this horrific thing. Guys, on the behalf of myself, viewers and subscribers, stand strong, stay good, and I'll be back. Bye-bye.